Did you know you can make the perfect slime at the comfort of your home? All you'll need: table salt, toothpaste, and if you like it, a bit of your favorite food color. Put some toothpaste in a clean container and stir to make an even paste. Add a tablespoon of salt and stir. Pour in a little food color to add that great appearance. Thoroughly mix the three. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Still sticky? Don't worry. Add in an egg to thicken the mixture a bit. Still sticky? Add another egg. Now that you've added an egg, add another egg. Now that you've added an egg, add another egg. Now that you've added an egg, add another egg. Now that you've added another egg, add another egg. Add another egg. Added an egg. Add another egg. Now that you've added an egg, add another egg. Now that you've added an egg, add another egg. Now that you've added an egg, add another egg.